Say hi.
Hi, everyone.
It's
What Are You Making Wednesday?
We are excited to show you. We were cleaning up from dinner and noticed we were out of our dish soap. So we thought we would hop on, since we haven't had a chance to come on for What Are You Making Wednesday, and make our dish soap. And when you're home and everyone else is, it becomes a family event. But actually using oils is a family event. We do tons of oil things together and use oils. You know, everybody uses them, so it doesn't have to be just me making everything. So Juliana and Angelo are going to help me make our dish soap. It's really easy. In front of us here we have our 2 cups of cast-out soap. We get the big jug like this, and it was going to be too heavy for her to hold, so I already filled it up for her. Okay, so Juliana, the next thing you're going to do is carefully add 2 capfuls of the Thieves Cleaner to this. Very carefully. It comes out fast. Very carefully. That's good. Okay, so that's our Thieves Cleaner. This stuff is amazing. This is actually now going to be in our premium starter kit for sample packets. It works great. It's super concentrated, so all you need is a capful to fill up your regular size spray bottle to clean counters. You can go right to your windows, your mirrors. It works on everything. It's fantastic, completely non-toxic. So again, the kids can use it, no fear. Give them a rag and a spray bottle, have them get the fingerprints off the walls or off the windows, no problem. Okay, next you're going to squeeze in
my turn.
Okay, Angela's gonna hold it and you're gonna squeeze. How about that? 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 actually, of our vegetable glycerin. So this helps keep it a little bit thicker, so that it's not so runny and our soap lasts a little longer, and it also helps a little bit as a degreaser and suds. So all 3 things. So that's why it is important to not skip the step of the vegetable glycerin. And then the last thing is we have our oils. So Juliana, will you count out 10 drops for me, please?
Yeah. And if you're watching this on YouTube, because we're uploading this to
4,
YouTube,
5, 6,
please subscribe.
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's 10.
11, 12, 14.
And then we have our, so we use lemon because it's great for cleaning, great on grease, cutting the grease. And then we also use rosemary. So rosemary has great cleaning power, and that's what you want when you're cleaning your dishes. So we add rosemary, and it smells really nice, lemon and rosemary together. So let's count together, okay? You want to help me? Okay, we're going to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And
11, 12. Make sure to hit that like button and heart this video.
okay, so the next thing we need to do is stir it up. Sorry. Okay, so carefully stir it.
I will. Wait, can I? He just did the drops.
Okay.
We both will.
Okay. All right, so that is really all you need. And then lastly, just give it a quick little stir. We're gonna add this. I use an old wine bottle and then an oil topper on it. It works really great because you do want to have this in glass because of the lemon. And then lastly, we need to add 1/4 cup of some water. So if you have hard water, you have to see if your water is hard or soft. Some people have trouble with this recipe because of, it can, I guess, I'm not really sure. We've never had a problem, but depending on your water, you may want to use distilled water. But I've been using this recipe for well over a year with absolutely no problems at all. But if you do feel like it's a little bit greasy, it's not going to sud like your normal dish soap would. But it does work great. It does cut the grease. So this is what we use. And so we're not buying it anymore, and we're staying away from the blue stuff because, like I said in the comments there, that rates a 9 on toxicity and things that you shouldn't be putting on your hands or on your kids. So we like to make our own, and it's easy. All right, guys, have a great Wednesday. Wait. Oh, Juliana would like to add.
If you hit that like button and heart button, put down in the comments #oils.
All right. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.
I can't make it out.
Okay.
Make it out.